We are here at an oil changing place. We are here to get our oil changed. A lot of you people, like me, have cars. We got to get our oil changed, correct? Well, you're probably wondering, how can you safely do that during a pandemic? We got monkeypox and COVID going around. More importantly, COVID. That's the one we're focused on today. I'll tell you how. If you're lucky enough, not everyone's going to have one of these, but in my area, we're lucky enough to have a drive-through oil change place. This is called Valvoline. So basically what you do is you get in line. I'm in line here. There's a couple in line up. Looks like they're going to come up and talk to me in a minute. And you just drive right up, get in line, go in, get your oil changed. They come out here, they take your information. They're going to be taking my information in a moment, as you'll see here on camera. We'll record that. I got my mask on to protect me from the people that are coming working here, because chances are that most of them are not wearing masks. The one that's out here now is not. Hang on.
You've been here before?
Yes.
Okay, you're looking at like 30 to 35 minutes before our break.
30 to 35 minutes?
Is it okay? You're waiting?
Yeah, that's fine.
Do you want me to put you on the list?
Sure.
Thank you, man.
Thank you. As you see there, they come out, take my information. It's going to be a 30 to 35 minute wait, so I'll wait. That's fine. Need to get an oil change. I do it every 5,000 miles. Always good to get your oil change every 5,000 miles. I'm actually about 200 over that, 5,200. So yeah, I have to wait. I need an oil change. But to go to a regular place where you have to sit and wait, not such a great idea right now, because with COVID and monkeypox, let's just talk about monkeypox, you have to sit in a waiting chair. Well, other people have to sit in a waiting chair. If you're not wearing long sleeves, or if you're wearing shorts, I don't wear shorts. I do wear short sleeve shirts though, because, I mean, look, it's hot out here. I'm not going to wear a long sleeve shirt when it's this hot. My air doesn't work the best in this car. Nothing I can do about that. It's Nissan for you, but you want to avoid contact, like with COVID now, airborne transmission. And we do know to some degree monkeypox can be airborne. We don't know how much of it is airborne, but it's also physical contact. So if someone else is sitting in that waiting chair before you, chances are they've touched that, and if they had monkeypox, guess what? You're sitting there, you're getting monkeypox, and there's a 21-day incubation period, so your symptoms may not show up for 21 days, but hey, that oil change just got you infected with either COVID or monkeypox. Here, if you're doing drive-through, you can sit in the car. You don't have to have any interaction, or at least not much interaction. You'll have to roll down your window, because at this particular place, they do a couple safety checks. They're going to check some lights. They're going to make sure my daytime running lights, turn signal, all that stuff works. They're going to find, yes, there's one daytime running light that the bulb went out. It just happened recently. Okay, I'll get it fixed. I'm not going to have them do that. I can do that myself, because again, I want to limit as much contact and exposure as possible. But this is just a safer way to do an oil change. So what I recommend for you is, I don't know where everyone lives, but do a Google search. Like if you're in a metro area, I'm here in the Philadelphia metro area. So this location is located up here in Willow Grove, Pennsylvania. Just do a Google search. Type in drive-through oil change. Who knows? Maybe there's a place that does drive-through service in your area. Rural areas like rural Pennsylvania or any rural area in the country, chances are you might not have one. But if you're in a more populated area, good chance, I bet there's a drive-through oil change place that you didn't even know exists. Check it out. You don't have to get out of your car. You can stay in your car. Now, Jiffy Lube, if you choose them, yes, you can drive up. You have to get out of the car at Jiffy Lube. There's no way around that. But if you do a place like this is Valvoline, I believe they're called, you won't have to get out of the car. So fantastic. Stay in your car. You wait in the car. You can leave the car running until the oil change, but then you have to shut it off. So it's going to get hot. You can roll your windows down, crack them. Personally, I would leave the windows up, but mind you, it's going to get really hot in your car. That is the one risk negative that you'll have for coronavirus and monkeypox. So, okay, just thought we'd do this short little video. I'm going to sit here and wait for the next 30 to, 40 minutes and get my oil changed. Have a great day, everyone. And remember, we're all in this together to the end. Stay safe. Hit like and subscribe down below if you want to see more videos like this. Thanks for watching.